Are you going through a procrastination challenge? You're trying to do your best, but all the task is getting actually accumulated in the last minute on the 11th hour you're trying to do. That is building a stress up for you. There's a to-do list of endless tasks which is getting piled up and you don't know how to clear this. And you want to do all those your dream projects and everything and you don't know how to get rid of this. How you can start all those kind of things. Don't worry, if you're going through any of this challenge, I was also one among you. I'll tell you one thing. What if I tell you it is literally possible to beat the procrastination by tweaking certain parts of your brain, and that is going to take you to the entirely to the next level. If this is something of this interest, then stay tuned. I'm going to tell you something amazing thing to get started. So here's what you're going to be learning in the next 5 days is all these things. Before I talk about this 5 days, I'll tell you my story about how I got started about this. One of my friend was going through a very serious challenge about procrastination, and one fine day he landed up in the hospital, and I got to know that he got brain hemorrhage, and that brain hemorrhage was so bad that the entire family was living in the villa, had to shift the rented house to get the medical expenses taken care. And it was so heart touching for me. Then I started spending my time in going through a lot of this research of how you can beat the procrastination, because myself, I was also a master procrastinator once. And once I started understanding more about the power of the brain and how we can use the power of the brain, I started teaching this to hundreds and thousands of people. Every single person who actually learned this had a great result, and a lot of people started asking me to teach it. And I realized that there's no such program that is there available which only talks about the procrastination, so that many of you can get rid of this problem. And this is what I've tried systemizing the entire process after teaching thousands of people. The best of the best, I've taken it and I actually put in this. We're going to be doing a 5-day boot camp. In this 5 days, what are we going to be learning? Let's go and look at this. Day number 1, we'll talk about the left brain and the right brain concept, and also concept of RAS, reticular articulation system, that you'll be going to talk about this. On day number 2, you'll be learning about the right brain and also planning of your day. That's going to be amazing. You'll be given a challenge of 5 minutes where you need to complete the entire thing. The day number 3, you'll be able to release your stress at an exponential manner in a very quick fashion within less than 5 minutes. And day number 4, you'll also get an energy parable concept and how we can rocket your energy to the next level. And day number 5, you will also get a blueprint for your life to achieve the 10x growth. If this thing is going to be interesting for you, then go and click on the link below and I'll see you inside. I'll tell you what procrastination is going to do in front of you. This price is nothing. Go and take the action and I'll see you inside.